Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful day outside today. It is 70 plus degrees out. The sun is shining. Absolutely amazing day today. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro? Ray, DD214, Dark Bro, DD214, Dark Bro, and DD214. We got three of you guys in here right now. Loving it. Anybody over there? No, I don't think anybody is over in the Twitch live stream right now. And I promise, man, I do not give Dark Bro a heads up. I have no idea how the dude is so fast, but the dude is extremely fast when it comes to jumping in this live stream, and I really don't. He beats me into it sometimes. It's crazy. Let's go over here to the market and see what's going on. We got AMC closing the day down 6.10%. AMC sitting at $5.53 at the close. Tough day for AMC. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back a little bit to 901 right now, up 0.84% of the day. Not bad at all there. Back above 900 points, which is very nice after touching like 830 yesterday, man. 833 yesterday, sitting at 901 today. So not bad, bouncing off those lows. GameStop sitting at 2025 right now, down 1.27% on the day today. Bitcoin bouncing back to 27,772. Hopefully, we're getting a bounce off of this support level. I mean, guys, look at how Bitcoin is trading in this channel. I mean, we didn't put these lines on here today. It is bouncing off of this support, and could very well be testing $29,000 to $30,000 over the next couple of days from now, if it's able to continue with this bounce, of course. The Nasdaq finishing lower, unable to break resistance. So we looked at this fifth attempt on the Nasdaq yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth attempt right here at breaking this resistance level at about 12,200, 12,300 points, and unable to do it so far. So we're going to keep watching that on the NASDAQ. We need a break up through this to get it like a nice technical break. Otherwise, we very well could be coming down another couple hundred points to 11,900, maybe even down to 11,500. So we got to watch that on the NASDAQ. GameStop, of course, sitting at 2025. AMC, 553. Ethereum, back up a little bit to 1857. Shiba Inu coin, 900 points per coin. Dogecoin, 7.3 cents. Bitcoin, sitting at $27,746. Mullen Auto, $1.44. $1.44, and the lows are down here at $1.26, man. Mullen Auto is having a very tough go of it. Sundial sitting at $1.75 and has actually had very nice 2-week period going from $1.29 up to $1.75 there. CEI sitting at $1.28. The SPY, $4.11. BBIG, 16 cents. Highcroft Mining, 39 cents. Netflix, $332. The QQQ, $3.21. Ape sitting at $1.61, and MPW closing the day at $8.40 there. I'm telling you, it was a tough day in the stock market, guys. Everything was red. Where's everybody at? They'll come on in here, Dark Bro. I don't know where they're at the moment. Yo, J-Bones. What's going on, man? I can see the future. That's why. Dark Bro, you probably can see the future. There's a part of me that might think that that's the truth. Hope you unzip your pants first. Well, yeah, honestly, man, they're probably unzipped. I have a very difficult time of remembering to zip my pants, so it's very difficult, dude. I don't know if that was for me or for somebody else. Need to lock Clay's windows. Yes, I think something. I don't even know what I need to zip my pants for, but I will. Or unzip my pants first, yes. My little brother has a cold or something. He's been sleeping most of the day. Not his little brother, his little bro. Are you talking about your kid? Is that what you're talking about there? Yes, Pudgy, you're finally last. Pudgy, I like you, Peter, bro. Always. Where's Peter? Peter! Right there, man. Right there. Q3 is good. JB, the Q3 is always good. Yes. I know what that's in reference to. And taking a look at the Q3, guys, it is the same exact thing as the NASDAQ there. So we are testing these resistance levels on the NASDAQ, except Q3 is actually performing slightly better than the overall NASDAQ, taking out the financial sector. So 1 attempt, 2 attempt, 3 attempt, 4 attempt. We may be creeping our way up a little bit. The good news is, you don't have to see this steep of a gain too bad to connect these higher lows that we've been hitting here. QQQ and the NASDAQ actually haven't been doing bad at all since the beginning of 2023. You guys can see it down here, and it might be a little bit tougher to see there. But after breaking out kind of this downtrend out of this wedge, the Q3 has been doing very well to continue ahead of ourselves, because the market still feels down, and the market still feels like the overall economy is doing terrible right now. But, I mean, if you look at the Q3 right now, Q3 is good, like JB says, man. So Q3 hitting some higher lows since the beginning of 2023 there. Let's see. Clay, take a look at ENVX and give me your thoughts. Clay, you're cutting out again. What the? Let me see if YouTube is saying anything. Bitrate is too low. Let's see. I don't know if I can adjust these settings here. I don't know if I can adjust these settings. While I'm live. That's interesting, because the settings do say that I am streaming at a 2500 bit rate, but YouTube is not getting. YouTube isn't getting it. Now it looks like Twitch might be. Man. Now it looks like Twitch is down. Is YouTube down, or what's going on, man? Did I lose connection? Let me know if I'm still here, if we lost connection, man, because it does look like we are. Only now does it say that the stream is healthy. All right, I don't know, man. Now YouTube's saying that the stream is healthy. Twitch looks like it might be moving. I am using that, so I don't know why. In and out. You're back. Who the heck knows, dude? If you guys can't hear it, I'm just gonna still go on with it. Oh, God, dude. Oh, it says that I'm healthy right now. Yeah, dude. Nah, it says that I'm healthy. It says there's no problems whatsoever with YouTube at the moment. So I don't know what your guys is. It's you. It's all of you. It is not me. It is all of you for sure. YouTube says everything is healthy. You guys are lying to me. I know you are. We're good. We're going. And, yeah, if you can't see it, well, I'll just know, because everybody's going to be leaving. Now you're okay. DD214, I was okay this entire time, man. I don't know what you guys are talking about. That's what yeah, it is, man. It is. She did say something similar to that. YouTube does know best, JB. YouTube says the stream is healthy, so the stream is healthy. I don't know if it's actually healthy or not, but they do say that it is healthy right now, so we're just going to keep on going with it. All of you and not me. Always, dude. It is never you. It is always everybody else. Simple way to do it. Let's see. Yeah, it's not me. It's you. Classic. It's never me, dude. It's always the other person. Just like they take care of our... Oh, God, dude. Yeah, JB, now don't make me think about how they're ripping subscribers, because it is sad, man. This is the first... period in the last 2 months that I've actually had positive subscribers, and it's like a positive 18. It's a positive 18, so I know they're still ripping, and I did not get that many subscribers off of a couple Pepe videos. No, there's no way. I know they're still ripping. I probably got like 1,000 subscribers over the last month, and YouTube ripped 1,020 subscribers over the previous month. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and you're doing good. Deflection never. Just bought in 1 billion of Pepe K-Packs, man. 1 billion Pepe. Gosh, dude, now it says that my stream is not healthy again. Dude, I don't know what's going on, man. Whatever. This is ridiculous. Healthy, not healthy. Who the heck knows? What up, Clay? You know anything about Cat Girl token? Please check it out if you can. Yeah, we could look at Cat Girl, dude. Is Cat Girl the one that's been out for several years, though? Was that the one that ripped back in 2021 when Shiba Inu coin was ripping? We'll look at it. You look healthy, bro. Thanks, J-Bones. You look healthy yourself, man. Even though I can't see you right now, you sound healthy, J-Bones. You sound healthy. Because if you weren't healthy, you probably wouldn't be in the stream. All right, guys, let's take a look at Cat Girl. I am pretty sure that this is the coin that I'm thinking about, like that little pink one, but we'll see. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure. So I think this is the coin that you want to see here. Sitting at a $12 million market cap. Way too many zeros to count. And a 36. $12 million market cap, not bad. $1.74 million in volume, up 26% of the day. Not bad at all. But what are we going to do? We're going to look at the all-time graph and see that, yes, it did run way back in 2021. And it ran nicely back in 2021. Here's the deal, man. This was a meme coin for sure back then, and it had way too many zeros to count. 2020, the bull run, the meme coin rally takes place and rips everything higher. This took off to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 14. What do we get now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros in a 3. So you could, yes, 50 to 100x to get back up to those all-time highs. Ridiculous. Market cap doesn't show. But you could 50 to 100x to get back up to those all-time highs there. And this, because it was trading at a much lower level, was actually more than a 50 to a 100x. I don't know anything about this community, okay? But I do know that it's a pretty large one, and these guys have been around for a while. But as far as, like, anything about that token, I know nothing about it, man. Pepe to a $10,000 floor. Hey, you know what, JB, man? If we get the old school AMC crew in here, yeah, we could get Pepe to a $10,000 floor. For sure on that one, man. Pepe to 5,000, Pepe to $1, Pepe to 5,000, Pepe to $10,000 floor, Pepe to 500. Where's the Ape Father when you need him, man? We need to get the Ape Father in here to take Pepe up to a $500,000 floor. No less. Dang, Lisbon's just going Pepe to whatever, man. Remember AMC to 10,000 floor? No, dude, 10,000, you would have been a shill if you were taking AMC to 10,000, dude. AMC turned into AMC 100,000. And then you were a shill if you said AMC 100,000. You had to take AMC to a $500,000 floor. People literally, like, yelled at me and cussed me out in the live streams because I said it was going to be difficult for AMC to reach $1,000 based on the temptation of people taking profits. Oh, my goodness. Well, they got their $69. They laughed. They began taking profits. Adam Aaron diluted us back down from $70 down to, well, where we are right now, $5 a share. Just kidding. We've got the Federal Aviation Administration out there. Yes, Cat Girl doesn't look good. Well, Cat Girl might be down, man, but Cat Girl can always get back up. AMC to $1 million. Yes, J-Bones, man. J-Bones is still around for it. Clay's such a I know, dude. I am such a shill saying it's going to be difficult for AMC to reach $1,000 per share. Dude, they used to come in here and literally yell at me from Reddit because they didn't like the fact that I said it was going to be hard for AMC to reach a price above $1,000. And I would love to see AMC hitting $1,000 a share. I would still love to see AMC hitting $1,000 a share, and I think everybody else would be very happy to see AMC hit $1,000 a share as well. Leave bro a like, bros. Listen to Lisbon, and please click that like button. Appreciate you in advance for doing so, because I know that you guys will. There are currently 12 likes and 22 people in this stream. Please click the like button. Do it, because all the other streams that have like 6,000 people in there, those are bots, man. Those are bots. Click the like button. Let's see. Tell the truth, brother. And then to some, that hurts. Yeah, it is tough, man. I know we like to have fun licking and sticking and dipping and shoving and all that good stuff, but you gotta tell the truth, man. It's the only way I could show my face tomorrow is if I came in here and told the truth. If I was lying to you guys, I'd be like, oh, God, man, I can't even come back tomorrow. Guiba Show! Got a green name from Moji! Moji, man. Thank you very much for throwing that green name out there. Ooh, yes. Lisbon, too slow. Guiba Show, got it. Lisbon might get the next one. Guiba might be in here right now. Guiba was in here earlier. Guiba, please throw a thank you out there for Moji if you're in here right now. I know that Guiba was in here earlier. Moji, thank you very much. It does seem like the green names are going to some pretty active members right now, which is nice. When Pat threw out earlier, they went to 5 active members, and Moji throwing out right now, going to another active member. I appreciate it, Moji. Thank you very much, man. Lisbon too slow. Any Shibarium updates? You know what, K-Pax? I don't have any Shibarium updates, but there was a lot of stuff floating out in the Shibarium Discord, okay? Not updates about Shibarium, but updates about that cold storage wallet. So they are... Dude, I never know the intentions of the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team. If it's just to kind of excite people and get them talking and whatever. But they're starting to churn the water a little bit about that cold storage wallet. Okay, they're saying we may have announcements later this week if everything goes according to plan. Well, dude, just make your announcement later this week if everything goes according to plan. Like, you know, don't try to get people all stressed out and hyped up again and all of that. So we actually might see the release or some more information at the minimum about the cold storage wallets, and that is coming out of the Shibarium Discord. So that's why I went with that one. But no, as far as like any information about Shibarium, I don't have anything new there. Where did that chap come from? I know that was for Liz. Where did that chap come from? You know what? Guiba was in here earlier, so I'll take it. I'm a bot. Kai, you might be a bot. Kai the robot. I like robots, man. Kai bot all day. Kai bot's kind of like Clay, bro. Interesting. Don't understand? Just come from work. Lisbon. Well, regardless, coming from work, we are glad to have you in here. Absolutely. And the next screen name that goes out is most likely going to you or K-Pax. Unless, of course, you don't have gift receiving enabled, then it's not going to anybody. 26 watched and 16 likes. Guys, listen to Pudgy and click that like button. Otherwise, Pudgy's going to get mad at you. Lisbon, you have to enable gifting in settings, and then click green membership link. Yeah, and if you do that, you can get a green name. You and K-Pax are the only green or gray names in here right now. And everybody else is green. So if you want a green one, can you click the link that Moji sent right there? Can you click on that thing that he sent and pull it up? Pepe. Oh, Pepe technical analysis. All right, I was like Pepe Ta, man. What is this Pepe Ta? Is that a new coin they got out there already? All right, let's look at Pepe on the day, because Pepe trying its best to bounce back a little bit, but still unable to break up through that 2,000 or 200 point per coin mark. So Pepe is sitting right here at the 200 point per coin mark. $775 million valuation. Volume coming in at $700 million in a 24-hour period. Volume is looking good. Here's the thing that I like, okay? If you're looking at this daily gain and you only see it sitting at 1,900, up 6%, you're kind of like, I don't think a 6% gain is really that good. But let's look at the volatility for a second, okay? if this actually dipped down a little bit further, I know it did. So this little dip right here came down to nearly 150 points per coin. At least it did on KuCoin when I was watching it. It says 16, but it was 150 on KuCoin. So this dipped down a little bit further. And if you look right now to where we're at about the 200 point per coin mark, that is a 30% gain just since yesterday evening. All right, 150 and to 200, you're adding the 50 in there. 50 divided into 150 is a 33+% gain. So we're sitting on a 30% gain just over maybe the last 15 to I don't know, 19 hours there. Sometime last evening, I know it was sitting lower than that. So not doing too bad to see a 30% gain over the last, I don't know, 20 hours or whatever it is. So Pepe bouncing back a little bit and showing some strength in this area. There's not much to do technical analysis on because we don't have much data. We have a little bit of a resistance in this area, like I don't know, a couple hours worth of resistance. Pulled back slightly, so we got a little bit of maybe like an hour of support in this area. And that's exactly what we've been doing since Friday. Okay, testing this 1,500 to 200 or 150 to 200 point per coin level as a level of nice support. Now, if we consolidate here for a week or 2 weeks, that's still fine. But what you're going to see is a lot of people kind of leaving if that's the case. They're going to think that the rally is over for sure. The good news is we can easily springboard back off of this level because people are hyper-focused on Pepe right now, and there's a lot of money still being traded. 700 million could easily turn into 2 billion, and if 2 billion, $3 billion is the volume we're seeing, I would absolutely expect that we could see Pepe back it up at all-time highs, if not even higher, in a very short period of time. Patrick! Sorry for the delay. No sorry needed, Patrick. Dark Bro first. How did you guess? Dark Bro first. Dilly dilly to Dark Brilly. That is so good, man. That is so good. Dark Bro is first. 9,970 remaining. Patrick, absolutely appreciate that, man. And Dark Bro, appreciate you being first in the chat, too. Patrick, thank you very much. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Did you look at Cat Girl token? Guiba, yeah, we looked at Cat Girl. We looked at Cat Girl just now. And Guiba, did you see that you have a green name? See, I promise, we looked at it. It's right here. 3631, up 15% on the day today. Getting a little bit of action going on in here with $1.7 million being traded. Bouncing back and forth. Very, very volatile, but nonetheless, yes, it is up 15% of the day. Looking good. In the all-time graph, hopefully for anybody invested in Cat Girl, we could see those 2021 highs once again. But we are going to need a massive meme bull market rally, man. I am telling you, we are going to need a massive bull market rally there to see Cat Girl take off. Crypto doesn't make sense. Crypto's not for those that are trying to look at logic. You would think that the stock market would be logical. It's not. You might think that the crypto is supposed to make sense and be logical, but if the stock market can't even make sense, crypto, I don't know if it will ever make sense, man. I don't know if the crypto market's ever going to make sense if the stocks can't even make sense. I want to see your Pepe bot. What do you mean you want to see it? You want to see the trades that it's making right now? You want me to pull it up? I can pull it up. It's down right now, dude, because my minimum was, the bottom of my grid was 2,000 points per coin. Or the 200 points per coin, whatever you're calling it. I might be able to pull it up here. Hold on. I'm not showing you guys values. Hold on. It is down. It's down 16% right now. It's pretty tough. It's sitting on nothing but sells. There's no more buy orders necessary. All right, so. Oh, dude, anything I show you. I mean, what do you want to see? Because anything I show you is kind of going to show you the amounts of Pepe that it's buying. Yeah, even if I show you details, it's gonna, like, parameters. I don't know. Whatever. You could just see that right there. Showing you the grid. Showing you the entry price was around the 3,200 when I got in. Break even is now down, I think, below like 2,200 or 220 points per coin, so it's not down that far. Amount per grid, you got 3,172 Pepe or whatever going in on there. Profit per grid, 0.44% up to 1%, I think it might say there. And it's kind of actually hard to read it backwards. And it is reinvesting the grid down at the bottom. Grid reinvestment, you can see grid reinvestment is enabled. That is the grid parameters on KuCoin. And as you can see right here, Pepe USDT is the one in the top left. So, and then all the orders, man, all the orders are sell orders right now. Because it's down below the bottom end of the grid. It's not buying anything anymore. Let's see. Cat Girl. Yes, Guiba, we did it, man. There's Guitar Green. What's going on, Guiba Green? How you doing, man? Thank you. I had to answer my phone. My bad. And thank you for the green name. Heck yeah, Guiba. We were looking at Cat Girl though. Thoughts on Blaze token, Blake? Yeah, absolutely, man. Blaze is legitimately burning Shiba Inu coin, so that is very good. I like that. I don't plan on buying Blaze token. I don't necessarily think that these coins have too long of a shelf life that only, gain their popularity by burning other coins. Well, they do have initial success, and I don't even know if Blaze shows up on CoinMarketCap here or not. I don't think that's it. Team Blaze token, that's not it, right? Yeah, I don't know if Blaze shows up or not. It is legitimately burning Shiba Inu coin, which I do like. As far as buying Blaze and investing in it, I do think that you could make some quick profit because and I don't know where it's trading at right now, because it usually does gain a lot of attention from people talking about the burns and things like that. However, the volume on those coins typically dies out very quickly, and then the burns die out very quickly. So in order for Levi to keep it up, man, he is going to have to keep pumping that coin. He's going to have to keep talking about the burns, which he may be able to do. It's just I've seen a lot of those tokens come and go, man. And, I don't plan on buying any Blaze. But I really do like the fact that it's burning Shiba Inu coin. Exactly like it said it would be burning Shiba Inu coin. Let's see. Bend to the moon. Theta and Hex hodl hands, man. Theta and Hex hodl hands. Bend to the moon. Is Ben another meme? We can look at Ben if you want. Can you explain what a Bitcoin halving event is? Who is behind it? So, Capex, nobody's behind it, right? It's just part of the... contract or whatever that makes up, or code that makes up Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin halving is miners' rewards. The rewards given for mining a block are cut in half. Okay? And the idea behind that is that as time goes on, of course, you need to slow down mining a little bit so that not every coin gets mined in a 1 year period or overnight or anything. But the idea is that as Bitcoin gains in value, you don't need to reward miners with the same amount of Bitcoin. So imagine if people were still receiving 10,000 Bitcoin or 1,000 Bitcoin or whatever the first reward was per block that was validated on the blockchain. I don't actually know what the first rewards were. But imagine if people were receiving the same amount of Bitcoin now that it's worth $25,000, $27,000 or $29,000, wherever we're at right now, per coin, as opposed to being worthless. It would have been, people would have become instant millionaires, if not billionaires, for going out and just mining one block on the blockchain. less and less and less rewards are paid, and that is to offset the price rising and rising and rising. And if less and less and less are paid, it should help it also become worth more and more and more because they're harder to come by. So it does have that scarcity kind of, integrated into it. Nobody's necessarily behind it. It's just the software, or not software, but the, I guess, code for Bitcoin mining. Let's see here. How many trades a day is it? Let's see if I can look at. Well, it has not traded probably since. When did it fall below 200 points per coin? I don't even know if it made a trade yesterday at all. Prior to that, dude, it was probably doing a little over. Dude, it was probably doing a couple hundred trades a day. Can I see the trades per day in my details? I don't know if I can see the trades per day in my details or my parameters here easily. I'd have to go and add them up. But I would say it was doing. Hold on. I think it's made 1,157 trades in the last 4 days and 6 hours. So, yeah, that would make sense. I was thinking a couple hundred trades a day. It's made 1,157 trades in the last 4 days and 6 hours. So, I don't know. 200 to 250 trades a day. A little over, maybe, depending on the hours there, 250 trades a day or so. Good afternoon, everybody. And it has not traded basically at all since it fell below the 200-point mark. So keep that in mind as well. It really has not traded at all in the last, I'd say, 24 hours or so. Maybe 1 or 2 trades since it bounced back up slightly today. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says, speaking of new meme coins, what do you think of the new bro coin launch, Clay? Yeah, dude, listen. I absolutely, if we do a bro coin, I absolutely want to do a bro coin right. I honestly do not know enough myself about the smart contracts and the deployment and all of that. Somebody, like Blaze Token, right? Crypto King or Levi, whatever he goes by now, is behind Blaze Token. And it seems to be doing very well right now. When I get behind something, I want to be behind it 100%. So I just want to make sure that I know everything about it and everything that's going on with it before I would, wholeheartedly get behind anything. So, dude, anybody that wants to make a bro coin can absolutely make a bro coin. You know what I mean? Like, I don't own the word bro or anything. But, dude, we could take our chances on a bro coin. I just don't know, I got to be 100% committed if I'm going to be claiming bro coin as, the official bro coin or anything. And I need to make sure that I know everything about the contracts and I guess everything associated with it. Because, dude, I can't get behind something if I don't know all those things. All right, I need Pika to come babysit. Pika, go help Dark Bro out. Pepe AI, easy 100x, getting listed on MEXC with a $3 million market cap. Paul, is it? I've not seen anything about Pepe AI. Let's see if it is listed here. Pepe AI. Don't know which one it is, dude. There's like 50 Pepe AIs out there. I mean, you can see 100 results here, so I don't know which one would be getting listed on MEXC there. There's a lot of them. Maybe this one, maybe the first one that shows up. $5 million market cap right now, 13.90% gain on the day today, almost $13 million in volume. Dude, this one's not doing too bad, man. This one's not. Look at this volume. My goodness. This Pepe AI right here, if you guys want to trade this without Without the gas fees. This is on the BNB chain. $5 million market cap with $13 million in volume, dude. It's got the same outstanding coins as Pepe does. And it's already got a $5 million market cap. That's a lot of volume, though. This right here is a lot of volume to be traded and only seeing a $5 million market cap. So that Pepe AI might not be too bad. Paul saying the one he's talking about has a $3 million market cap. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Oh, it's got a one. No, it's not that one, dude. I hope it's not that one. It's got 0 volume. Yeah, I don't know if it was that first one that I clicked on or not. Dude, this one's up 71% today. $500,000 market cap, $3 million in volume. These Pepe AIs are rolling, guys. Pepe's not dead yet, dude. Pepe is not dead yet. There's already a Brocoin whale holding 12 trillion. Dude, I would love to be a Brocoin whale holding 12 trillion anything, man. Anything. Let's see. Pika coming over to Pikacopter. I like it. Thank you for looking. Mexi listing tomorrow. Paul, was it the first one? Was it the first one or the second one there? Do you think the circulating supply numbers was intentional? Sean, are you talking about in Pepe? Yes, I do think that the circulating supply numbers were intentional at 420 trillion, 690 billion, because people love 42069. Listen, I don't know if, because stuff like that's funny, right? I don't know what people's fascination is with laughing at 420 and laughing at 69. I get it. Like, okay, they've got some meaning behind them. You can find a meaning in some of these numbers here. But, man, people find these numbers just exhilarating. 420 and 69. They're like, oh, yeah, I got to get into that. It says 420. Oh, yeah, it says 69. It's so funny. That's so great. Oh, my God, dude. It's 420 and 60. It's a number. But, yeah, Sean, I do think that those numbers were intentional, man. Thoughts on Sida Pepe Inu? When that one comes out, that is going to be the ultimate. Sida Pepe Inu. That is what you've been looking for, JB. That is what you've been looking for. That is just the combination of the ultimate memes, man. And if there's a Sida Pepe Inu, well, there's a Sida Pepe. They didn't throw an Inu on it though. Oh God, dude. There's actually a Sida Pepe. JB, is this you? Is this you coming up with this here, man? 0 volume. If it is, man, I'm sorry that nobody's trading your stuff today and there's only 20 holders. I'm sorry about that, but is this you? I gotta know if this is JB with this Sida Pepe here. Well, it says 0 volume, but this bad boy's been trading over the last couple of hours. Going up nice in value. JB, hopefully you cashed out, dude. Hopefully you cashed out because you got nothing but sell transactions. After a nice wall of green, you've got nothing but sells. So be careful. Get in, get out on this one. Hold a little if you'd like. But man, dude, we got 323 trillion pooled Sida Pepe. Gosh, dude. You've got 1.21 wrapped Ethereum in the... Oh, you guys can't even see it. In the liquidity pool there. Sida Pepe Inu. This is JB. Nope, not Inu. Just Sida Pepe. That's you right there, JB. That's you. I like it. Let's see. So most of these coins have 429 trillion, 690 billion. Explain where the 690 billion coins go and why 420 go to the contract. Me? I have no idea, dude. I have no idea. That's why I don't listen. If I understood smart contracts, I'd probably be pumping smart contracts and pumping these coins out left and right. But unfortunately, that's something that I've never studied, so I really don't know where all these coins go, dude. I wish I understood the half of it. If I did, I'd probably be some like, you know, Rain Man dude that's out there finding missing coins. That could be another full-time job for people, finding missing coins. Dude, could you imagine? Actually, that might be a good idea. You start a treasure hunt coin. And you give guys something to do. They just got to go out there and find the missing coins. And then they're theirs, man. Then they're theirs. You set up a couple wallets, go hide them. And then those coins are theirs. Dude, people would probably love that. It would at least get a lot of attention. I know that would get a lot of attention. Van Dono says Pepe is dead. Sorry, Clay asked what one was. So, send it. Yeah, no problem with that, Paul. No problem with that. Van Dono. So Pepe is dead, man. You just mean like the hype surrounding Pepe, right? The hype surrounding Pepe would be dead because Pepe ain't dead yet due to the $700 million market cap or whatever it's got, doing $700 million in volume. It clearly didn't die out yet. $773 million in market cap, $700 million in volume. Definitely hasn't died yet. The hype may have worn off since Friday, but I can guarantee you, dude, people, they change their emotion on a dime. So if Pepe starts to rally again, you're going to see them flock back in faster than anything. I think it's time to make a side of Flow Eno. Time to get Simon. Assemble. Let's go, man. Get Simon in on it. We can do it because side of Flow Eno sounds perfect. Coming down here. Calibro. You should take a course I took last year to learn all about this stuff. Binance provides it. I really should, dude. Coming from Binance, it would probably be a pretty good thing. I really should. Watch a little something on how to do these smart contracts and stuff like that. Can you see Ted BNB? Let's find out. Yeah. Ted, oh my gosh, dude. Look, man, meme coins aren't dead. This one's up to $1 million market cap today. It's up 44.90%. It's rolling. I'm sure it's out for one day. Yes, it's out for one day. You just got to be careful, man. When these coins are running like that, you got to be careful. You just don't get rugged. Simple as that. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, 420 is Uncle Adolf's birthday. Not a fan. Just to warn you. The idea I once heard was that he would have had much less hate. He would have been much less hateful if he celebrated 420 properly and maybe got some 69. How do we know that what he was doing and what he wasn't doing? Now you know. 9,969 on the wall. Dude, how did you work like a perfect double 69 into that statement there? 69 statement on the 9,969. That was too good, Pat. You set that one up. Dude, if I set you up, man. If I set you up, you're welcome. Because that was a beautiful volley into a spike, ladies and gentlemen. Double 69, the 969 one. I like it, Pat. Perfect. Wait, do you think that... Hold on, is he in here? No. Clay, can you explain the tokenomics of Pepe, please? Yeah, I could do that real quick. Because Pepe's tokenomics are very simple. Pepe does not have any burn tax or anything. So... come down to the tokenomics for Pepe, and right now we have 420 trillion 690 billion coins in existence, right? The remaining 6.9% of the supply is being held in a multi-signature wallet only to be used as tokens for future centralized exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. This wallet is easily trackable with the ENS, or the Ethereum name, Pepe Centralized Exchange Wallet. So, like I say, I don't know exactly what that 6.9% is. For centralized exchanges listing it. I don't know if centralized exchanges require a fee to list it. I don't know if they require, free coins to list it on their centralized exchange. I don't know what they require to bridge these coins over and so on. So putting that in there in a multi-signature wallet means that more than one developer has to log into that wallet, and it's usually like 6 developers or something, or 6 different people have to agree to make a transaction for that wallet to do anything. Because that's all that they tell us, 93.1% of all of the coins were sent over to a liquidity pool, and the rest of the tokens were left in that centralized exchange listing wallet to help with the onboarding of centralized exchanges. Now, clearly, you can see that, if you go to, hold on, we got to pull up Pepe here. If you go to the Etherscan for Pepe, and you can see that we've currently got 106,821 holders. If you look at the holders, well, clearly centralized exchanges are holding more than that 6.9% of the supply, because Binance alone is holding 14.8% of the supply. So, yes, that wallet may have been used to onboard a lot of these centralized exchanges, and I maybe pay them to list it. I don't know all the requirements of getting listed on a centralized exchange either. But as far as burns go, as far as any of that, there's no taxes, nothing to be worried about with it. You buy $1 million, you get $1 million. You sell $1 million, you're selling $1 million. There's no taxes on the buy side, no taxes on the sell side. Tokenomics are pretty straightforward, with basically 100% going to the liquidity pool, and then the rest going to exchange liquidity pools, and so on. Coming back down, I got to catch up in the chat, guys. So I'm coming back down to the bottom here. So what happens when clay runs out of authorized hydrations? The ocean dries up. Yeah, dude, we start over. That would be my guess on what happens when we run out of authorized hydrations. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here. A magic carpet ride. I will take a magic carpet ride with Pika any day. Guys, when it comes to Pepe, the only question is, do you or do you not touch your Pepe coins? Note, FYI, always touch it. Always. It is the way. Yeah, dude, if you're unwilling to touch the coin, that's just a simple buy and hold strategy with never willing to sell. You've got to be willing to sell at some point. So you have to be willing to touch it, John Jay. You have to be willing to touch it, man. I agree with you on that. I agree. 6.9% is your 690 billion coins, only 420 trillion going to the contract. Yeah. So the 6.9, the other 690 billion, is that to, what does that mean for a centralized exchange wallet? Is that to pay? Do you have to give centralized exchanges free coins to end up listing it there, or what? Waits for John Jay's When I Think of You, I touch myself. Well, John Jay might be coming up with one. John Jay does love the lyrics. I'm good, Nick. And your family? You and your family good? What the heck, man? Who's better friends here? Me or JB? Come on, Nick F. Who are you friends with? Me or JB? Pfft, stonks. I know where this is coming from. Pfft, stonks. Rug pulls. Clay Rose stream lag. Oh, Dark Bro, we got ourselves a king banana. You take that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Notice the eye contact the entire time. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that one, man. And I know you guys love the lick and stick technique. It is the only way to properly eat a banana. That's why I created 432 trillion bro coin. 420 will go to the contract. Gotcha. So the other 12 go to what? Bridging for centralized exchanges and stuff like that. Hey, yeah, bit me on that tennis racket. I did not, Nick. Unfortunately, I did. Well, fortunately, I did not. I would never outbid you on anything. Which one you getting? One of the head ones? Nick's invited me to the next Friendsgiving. Dang it, dude. I didn't even get invited to the Friendsgiving, JB. Yeah, it is true. I guess you and JB and Nick F. I guess I need an initial in my name if I'm gonna be cool now. 690 is sent to a lot of places. Pancake, Uniswap. Gotcha. Okay, so that the 690 sent to basically take care of fees or something. JB2 squared Oh, I'm JB1. J Bones and JB. We got a lot of JBs in the chat. John J! Thank you very much for the John. Oh, I said thank you very much for the John J, whatever that means. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Gobble gobble for Moji on that one. John J. Goblin for Moji all day long. And Patrick says, thank you very much for the super chat, Pat. Absolutely appreciate it. Don't touch your Pepe. Just hold it. Do not touch your Pepe right now. I don't know what you're doing. You'll go blind. You've got 9,968 authorized hydrations remaining. That is good. Man, I'm at the park and everybody's looking at me weird right now. Dude, if they have never heard a turkey before, I don't know. All right. Tell them what's up. Subscribe to the Claybro YouTube channel, guys. Anybody in that park right now, subscribe to the Claybro YouTube channel. And Nick F might hand out a bro shirt. He's probably got one sitting in his car somewhere. At least a bro channel. And yeah, get yourself a sticker. Nick F might be rolling around with some stickers there. I like it. Nick F, anybody coming over to subscribe? Anybody coming over to subscribe right now? Shoot, dude, I'm gonna have to walk or something. Nick F, get some subscribers if they're looking at you right now. You know how to do. I guess nobody knows about Claybro here. You gotta tell them, Nick F. What the heck are you doing, man? This dude has the opportunity to talk about Claybro, and he ain't even taking this sticker, dude. And I was being grilled like Gary Gensler, too. Hey, you know what? It is good to be grilled, though. It is good to be grilled because it shows if you can answer the questions, if you can answer the grilling, then you're good to go. Moji! Thank you very much for the... Moji, thank you very much for Claybros. Peach, gosh, dude, if we could only get Nick F a projector. Nick, you should go to the park with a projector. You should project it. You should project the YouTube stream onto, I don't know, anything, and get people to watch it that way. That's actually a really good idea. We need to hook Nick F up with a Claybro projector so he can go to the park and play the stream for everybody at the park. Turkey's disturbing. Well, some turkeys are disturbing. Turkeys are actually very nice. Laster than yesterday's tomorrow wasn't first either for the past tomorrows of today. John J, I have no idea what that means. Lag. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, what is going on with the lag? Banana hot dogs are more disturbing than turkey. Kai likes the bananas and the hot dogs the best. I got it, okay? I was wrong. No, you're not. I haven't seen projectors on auction. Oh, well, they got them, dude. You could probably search them right now, and they're probably there. They got them all the time, dude. They get them all. They actually do have them all the time. Laser projectors. They got, normal projectors. They got a lot of projectors on there, so you're good to go. Am I still lagging, guys, or are we good to go? Because there's been a lot of lag in this stream, and I have no idea why. My settings are correct, but I will tell you that YouTube does say, please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being sent often enough, which can cause a problem. And I look at my settings, output, I don't know where to find that setting. I actually have no idea where to find that setting. But I don't know, man. I don't know. We're trying it for this month, and if this is, like, if it continues acting up because we're multi-streaming or whatever, we will adjust that. So far, there's nobody over on Twitch. It looks like Twitch is completely frozen up, and Twitch hasn't done anything in the last, I don't know, half hour or so. But who knows? It's in the end of the tennis racket handle. Yeah, it's at the end of the tennis racket handle. Yeah, I'll bid you for it. It is, man. It is. That's the bro sticker, or what are we talking about? I'm not exactly sure. Did AMC earnings come out? Yeah, JJ. AMC reported earnings a few days ago, actually. I think they might have reported earnings on Friday. And I believe that they were positive earnings. So Adam Aaron, I saw some tweets of his. He was talking about the fact that, AMC was doing good. They've got a positive this and a good that. And I really don't remember all the numbers, man, because I didn't listen to the earnings call this time. But, he's like, we're still not out of the woods yet. We've got like $700 million in liquid assets available. We need to make sure that we return to pre-pandemic. Can you even say that on YouTube? To pre-lockdown lows or pre-lockdown, not lows, but sales and all of this stuff. So he was still kind of setting himself up for the necessity of diluting the stock even further, but saying that they have continued to see some growth. So I am not 100% sure of what their earnings were, but they did seem to be positive. YouTube sucks. That is all. Yes. Yes, they do, man. Yes, they do. Good point, emoji. Gotta keep an eye on Clay, bro. Yes, you do, man. Clicks on a setting, stream ends. Am I really not here? Am I not here? Oh, you're here. Dude, I did not click on a setting and end the stream, though. But it did look like I did because there's only 22 people in here. And I have no idea what was going on with that. There's like, we went from 40 to 22 immediately. So they must have got sick of the lag or something. And left. Hey, Claybro, hello, he's back. All right, perfect. We are back for like 1 minute. We might as well just leave the live stream now since apparently nobody's in here except for, did I just see Nufo? I did! Nufo, man. Nufo to pool to ahoo! Let's see what we got. Is this Nikola? NKLA. Yes, it is. Dude, I don't know anything about these guys, but that is a massive decline today. A 13% loss on the day. Here's what I think immediately when looking at this stock, okay? When are they going to make a gain? This is worse than Farmy. Okay, so these guys were a SPAC. I think I remember. These guys were in 2020, right? I think I remember these guys, dude. I think that they lied about their having a production vehicle. I think that these guys lied about having their car, right? Is these guys electric cars? Yeah. I'm pretty sure these guys lied about having a production-ready truck. And after lying, they started to tank down and have never recovered. So I don't like them, okay? But here's something you can notice. Their pattern looks, dude, their pattern looks almost perfect. The traders are, running, falling, running, falling, running, falling. And if you take some trend lines, right now and connect these lower highs, well, yes, you could see, and I'm not saying this is going to be perfect, and this may have been the bounce. This may need connected back down to here. All right, that may have been the move. But regardless, this is a very, very tough stock to recommend on any technical level. You guys can't even see it. Darn it, the screen is too small. That's a very tough stock to recommend on any technical level. But the bounces do occur, and you may have had just a little bounce from 78 cents up to $1.07, back down. It may begin to bounce again, and it may follow this downtrend right here. So we'll keep that line on the screen. I have no idea what these guys are doing, but I do remember that they lied back in 2020 about having a production-ready vehicle, and that is why you saw such a drastic decline here and a quick decline from the $100 that they reached in like no time, coming back down very quickly. So I do remember these guys, but I haven't heard about them or looked at them in a long time. D's! I think Moji forgot how the salt shaker works. Dude, Moji, salt shakers are nice because you pour them out on the table and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. But because salt tastes so good, you just gotta... But every time it gets in your eyes, Moji. Thank you very much, D's, for the salt shaker, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Moji, hopefully that refreshed your memory on how salt shakers work there. But guys, nonetheless, it is after 5 o'clock. I am very sorry for the stream lagging, all that it did today. I don't really know if I have to adjust any settings on there since we are multi-streaming now. I didn't change those settings before. Everything seemed to be working fine. But if we do end up with some lag, I'm going to look at getting those fixed up. We're going to do some shout-outs, guys. We will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them twice because views are down big time right now. But let's do these shout-outs, guys, and you all have a great evening. D's, man, enjoy your day. Kombu, Kenneth, see you later. Brad, enjoy it. Moji, Dark Bro, Kombu, SD, we got Moji, Pudgy, man, peace out of the Diamond Hand Apes, baby. D's, we got Pudgy, Moji, SB, or JB, SD, new photo, Puto, Ahoo. Kenneth, man, see you later. SD, we got Kai, Pudgy, peace out of the Diamond, oh, just peace out of the rabbits, man. J-Bone, see you later. Moji, DD214, Nick F, Dark Bro, anybody else, Pat, if you're still in here, man, Pika Power, you as well. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.